Hi guys, I'm Jakey, and today we're going to be trying something a little weird. Or should I say, wicked. We're going to be trying something a little funky, a little crazy. I was doing my job when one day I saw it. There it was, in the aisle. A macaroni cup. A really strange product. And you wouldn't think it's strange because it's just a macaroni cup. But the product was advertising for Wicked for Good. The movie. The sequel. So you're probably thinking, oh, what's so crazy? Well, why are you trying a macaroni cup? Like, haven't you had a haven't you had a macaroni cup before? Yes. I have. And, but the thing is, the special thing, the magical, awesome, wicked thing about this macaroni cup is that it is supposed to change colors. And so, we're gonna try it. It's interesting. It's a mystery. You never know what color you're gonna get, which is the gimmick of the thing. Oh. So let's go make it. Let's switch up. So, oh. Okay, guys. Here is our pink macaroni and cheese. It's like, oh god, it just looks so gross, dude. It looks disgusting. Well, it doesn't look like the most inedible thing in the world. Bottoms up. It looks purpley and fleshy. I saved my appetite for this, by the way. It's fine. It's just mediocre. And it's so weird. Why would you want pink macaroni and cheese? Or green macaroni and cheese? Like, the noodles are underdone. I cooked them for like 3 minutes. It says 3.5, but I ain't doing all that.
Bruh.
I don't know. There's something so weird. The cheese flavor is very muted. Like, ew. Just get regular macaroni. Get regular macaroni. Like, why? Like, it's not that it cost more or anything. It's not the fact that is pissing me off. Why? Why do you want pink or green macaroni? And I'll tell you who does. Nobody.
What's wrong with you?
Because the store I work at, nobody was buying this. I am one out of 0 people who got this. It's just, I am disappointed. I wanted green. Yeah. Mystery color. Which will you get? I got pink, and it's just gross. It's disgusting to look at. I could eat it. If I absolutely needed to, I wouldn't be mad. Right? Fuck. Note to self, do not put scalding hot water macaroni in your mouth. Well, this is gonna be one of the most pointless things I've ever tasted or made a video of. I could have ate something that I would have preferred to eat. instead I'm eating this. I think I just really deep down wanted to see what the color thing was like. One thing I was also hoping is I was hoping you'd pour it in. As you stir it, it changes colors, but I don't know how they would have done that without some sort of chemical reaction or something dangerous. Yeah, overall, I would rate it like a... That'll be all.